Coco Kids. Let's learn and play.
A for apple, A for ant, B for bat, B for ball, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. C for cat and C for cup, c c c c c c. D for dog, D for dots, d d d. E for egg and E for elephant, E. F for frog, F for fish, f. G for goat and G for grass, g. H for hand, H for hat, ha. I for ink and I for insect, E. J for juice, J for jar, J. K for king and K for kite, k. L for lamb, L for leaf, live. M for man and M for monkey, m. N for neck, N for nose, na. O for ocean, O for oar, O. P for plum, P for parrot, pa. Q for queen and Q for quail, Q. R for rope, R for red, r. S for sun and S for sunflower, s. T for tap, T for tub, t.